Choosing between ChatGPT and Google should be simple. But for a lot of beginners, it is confusing. You open Google and get 10 links when you wanted one clear explanation. Then you open ChatGPT and get a smooth answer when you actually needed the latest source. So the problem is not that one tool is better than the other. The problem is using the wrong tool for the job. Google is like a map to the internet. It helps you find pages, sources, products, prices, reviews, maps, news, and official information. ChatGPT is more like a thinking workspace. It helps you explain, rewrite, compare, plan, summarize, organize, and turn messy information into something useful. In this video, I'll give you a simple decision rule for when to use Google, when to use ChatGPT, and when the smartest answer is to use both. Let's start with the cleanest difference. Use Google when the answer depends on finding a specific source. Use ChatGPT when the answer depends on understanding, organizing, or creating. That one sentence can save you a lot of confusion. Here is an example. If you want to know the official refund policy for a store, use Google. You want the actual company page. You want the current policy. You want the source. But if you already have the refund policy and you want someone to explain it in simple language, use ChatGPT. That is the difference. Google helps you find the page. ChatGPT helps you understand the page. Now let's break this down into real situations. Situation number 1, current information. Use Google when the answer can change. Prices can change. Product availability can change. Rules can change. Schedules can change. News can change. Business hours can change. For these questions, Google is usually the safer starting point because you can go directly to the latest source. For example, if you ask, "What time does this store close today?" Use Google. If you ask, "What are the current mortgage rates?" Use Google and check reliable sources. If you ask, "Is this software still free?" Use Google and check the official pricing page. ChatGPT may help explain what you find, but the source should come first. Now situation number 2, learning something. This is where ChatGPT can be better. Google can give you 10 links. But 10 links are not always what you need. Sometimes you need someone to explain the idea in plain English. For example, if you search, "What is compound interest?" Google can show articles, calculators, and definitions. But ChatGPT can explain it like you were a beginner, give an example, and then answer follow-up questions. You can ask, "Explain compound interest like I am new to personal finance." Use a simple example. That is where ChatGPT feels different. It is not just finding information. It is helping you learn it. Situation number 3, writing and rewriting. This is one of ChatGPT's strongest everyday uses. Do not use Google to write an email. Do not search for random templates and copy one that does not fit your situation. Use ChatGPT to turn your rough thoughts into a better draft. For example, rewrite this email so it is shorter, clearer, and professional. Keep the meaning the same. That is not a search task. That is a writing task. Google can help you find examples. ChatGPT can help you create your version. There is a big difference. Situation number 4, comparing options. This one is tricky. If you need current specs, prices, reviews, or availability, start with Google. If you need help organizing the comparison, use ChatGPT. For example, if you are comparing 2 laptops, Google is better for the current product pages and prices. But after you collect the information, ChatGPT can help you compare it. You can say, "Compare these 2 laptops for a student who mostly uses browsing, documents, video calls, and light photo editing. Explain which one is better and why." That is a better workflow. Google for source material. ChatGPT for decision support. Situation number 5, planning. This is where ChatGPT can save a lot of time. If you search Google for how to plan your week, you may get articles, apps, templates, and productivity systems. That can be useful. But if you need a plan for your actual week, ChatGPT is usually better. You can give it your tasks and say, "Turn this messy task list into a realistic weekly plan." Group similar tasks together and leave buffer time. Now the answer is personalized. Google gives you information about planning. ChatGPT helps you build a plan. Situation number 6, verification. This is where beginners need to be careful. ChatGPT can sound confident even when you should verify the answer. That does not mean ChatGPT is useless. It means you need to know when verification matters. If the topic is legal, medical, financial, tax-related, academic, technical, or very current, check sources. Use Google to find the official page, trusted source, or original document. Then use ChatGPT to explain it, summarize it, or turn it into action steps. That is the safe workflow. Source first. AI explanation second. Now here is the simple rule. Ask yourself one question: do I need to find something, or do I need to do something with information? If you need to find something, use Google. If you need to do something with information, use ChatGPT. Find the policy. Use Google. Explain the policy. Use ChatGPT. Find product prices. Use Google. Compare the options. Use ChatGPT. Find a restaurant menu. Use Google. Plan dinner options for a group. Use ChatGPT. Find official instructions. Use Google. Turn the instructions into a checklist. Use ChatGPT. That is the difference. Now let's talk about ChatGPT search. ChatGPT can also search the web in many cases, and that makes the line less clear. But the decision rule still helps. When you need current information, sources, or verification, make sure you can see and check the sources. When you need explanation, rewriting, planning, brainstorming, or summarizing, ChatGPT is often the faster workspace. The best answer is not always one tool or the other. The best answer is often using both. Here is a simple two-step workflow. Step 1. Use Google to find reliable information. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to understand it, organize it, or turn it into something useful. For example, search Google for the official instructions. Then ask ChatGPT, turn these instructions into a simple checklist for a beginner. Or search Google for 3 product pages. Then ask ChatGPT, compare these options and explain the pros and cons in simple language. Or search Google for a current article. Then ask ChatGPT, summarize the key points and explain what this means for a beginner. That is where the combination becomes powerful. Before we finish, here are the mistakes to avoid. Mistake number 1, using ChatGPT when you need the current official source. Mistake number 2, using Google when you actually need a personalized explanation. Mistake number 3, copying the first answer from either tool without thinking. Mistake number 4, asking vague questions and blaming the tool. Mistake number 5, using only one tool for everything. The goal is not to pick a side. The goal is to choose the right tool for the job. Google is great for finding, checking, and verifying. ChatGPT is great for explaining, creating, organizing, and improving. Use Google when accuracy depends on the source. Use ChatGPT when value comes from turning information into something useful. Once you understand that, you stop wasting time jumping between links or asking AI questions it should not answer alone. If this helped, subscribe to AI Daily for simple AI tools, ChatGPT tips, and productivity workflows for beginners. Turn on notifications if you want to know when the next practical AI workflow goes live. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.